A Google Drive backup of WhatsApp messages can be a lifesaver when you delete something by mistake and you want it back. But if you had never enabled the automatic backup option in WhatsApp, or you have an iOS device, there may not be a lifeline to count on. There are ways that you can restore WhatsApp messages back to your device even if you don't have a Google Drive backup. Let's take a look at some of these solutions. First case. Restore WhatsApp without Google Drive on Android 1.1. Restore WhatsApp messages via local backup. WhatsApp automatically creates a backup of your chats to the device's internal memory every day at around 2 a.m. You can use these simple steps to restore this backup to the device. 1. Begin by uninstalling WhatsApp from your device. Reinstall the app from the Play Store. 2. Complete the setup process and verify your phone. Number 3. Once your account has been verified, WhatsApp should detect the local backup. Click Restore, and WhatsApp will look for any offline backups available. 4. Select one backup and then click Next, and WhatsApp will begin restoring the messages. Second case. Restore WhatsApp without Google Drive on iPhone. If you are using an iPhone, you will obviously not have a Google Drive backup. Instead, your automatic WhatsApp backup is in iCloud. The following are some of the options you have when restoring WhatsApp backups to your iPhone. A Google Drive backup of WhatsApp messages can be a lifesaver when you delete something by mistake.